Welcome, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of Princess Andriana Resort and Spa, a stunning 5-star oasis nestled in the picturesque town of Kyotari on the enchanting island of Rhodes. Just 15 kilometers from the historic town of Lindos and a 90-minute drive from Rhodes International Airport, this all-inclusive resort promises a perfect blend of contemporary design and traditional Greek island charm. So, grab your virtual sunglasses and let's embark on a sun-soaked journey through this Mediterranean paradise. Let's start by exploring the accommodations that await you at Princess Andriana. With a whopping 537 rooms and suites, this resort offers a diverse range of options to suit every traveler's needs. The deluxe rooms and suites are described as spacious havens of comfort, featuring modern amenities and stylish decor that perfectly captures the essence of Greek island living. Imagine waking up to breathtaking sea views from your private balcony, sipping your morning coffee as the Mediterranean breeze gently caresses your face. Ah, bliss. For those traveling with little ones, the family rooms are a godsend. These thoughtfully designed spaces come complete with sliding doors to separate the kids' area, giving parents that much-needed privacy. And here's a nifty touch. They've even installed security gates to keep your curious toddlers safe. Talk about peace of mind. But wait, there's more. Some family rooms offer shared pool access, so you can literally roll out of bed and into the refreshing water. Now that's what I call a perfect start to the day. Honeymooners, fear not. Princess Andriana hasn't forgotten about you lovebirds. The resort offers special honeymoon rooms that come with their very own private pools. Imagine spending lazy afternoons lounging by your personal oasis, sipping champagne, and basking in newlywed bliss. It's like having your own little slice of paradise, complete with room service at your beck and call. Just don't blame us if you never want to leave your room. Now let's talk about the creature comforts. All rooms come equipped with premium bedding that's so cozy, you might be tempted to steal a pillow. Please don't. There's also a minibar, because let's face it, sometimes you need a midnight snack or a refreshing beverage without having to venture out. The contemporary decor throughout the rooms adds a touch of sophistication, making you feel like you're in a chic island retreat rather than a cookie-cutter hotel room. But here's a little heads up. While the rooms are generally praised for their cleanliness, some guests have reported occasional maintenance issues. So, if you're the type who notices every little detail, you might want to keep that in mind. But hey, nobody's perfect, right? And with views like these, a slightly wonky drawer handle seems like a small price to pay. Now let's move on to everyone's favorite topic, food and drinks. Princess Andriana takes its culinary offerings seriously, with multiple restaurants and bars scattered throughout the resort. While the exact names of these establishments remain a bit of a mystery, we like to think it adds to the sense of adventure. We do know that they offer a tantalizing array of international cuisine and local specialties. Imagine savoring authentic Greek dishes while overlooking the sparkling Aegean Sea. It's enough to make your taste buds do a happy dance. The ultra all-inclusive concept at Princess Andriana means you can indulge to your heart's content without worrying about the bill. From gourmet meals to premium drinks and snacks, it's all included in your stay. Want to try that fancy cocktail? Go for it. Craving a late-night pizza? It's yours. The only limit is your stomach capacity and maybe your waistband. While specific restaurant names are scarce, reviews mention a place called Moonlight. Sounds romantic, doesn't it? We can just picture couples enjoying candlelit dinners under the stars, the gentle lapping of waves providing the perfect soundtrack. And for those who like to keep things exciting, there are specialty dining experiences available. Though the exact details remain shrouded in mystery, we're envisioning themed nights, chef's tables, and maybe even some molecular gastronomy thrown in for good measure. Who knows? You might discover your new favorite cuisine. One thing's for sure, you won't go hungry at Princess Andriana. With multiple dining options available throughout the day, you can eat your way from sunrise to sunset and beyond. Just remember to pack your stretchy pants. Now let's dive into the pools and beaches, because what's a Greek island getaway without some serious water time? Princess Andriana boasts multiple pools that cater to different preferences. There are shared family pools where kids can splash and play to their heart's content, and adults can lounge nearby, cocktail in hand. For those seeking a bit more privacy, some room categories offer access to exclusive pools. Imagine having your own aquatic sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle of the main areas. It's like having a VIP pass to relaxation. While swim-up bars aren't explicitly mentioned, we'd be surprised if a resort of this caliber didn't have at least one. After all, what's better than swimming up to order a refreshing piña colada without ever leaving the water? It's the epitome of vacation indulgence. But the real star of the show is the beach. Princess Andriana sits right on Paralia Beach, a Blue Flag certified pebble beach that's as pristine as they come. The resort provides sunbeds and umbrellas, so all you need to do is show up with your sunscreen and a good book. The pebbles might take a bit of getting used to. No sand in your swimsuit though. But the crystal clear waters more than make up for it. It's the perfect spot for a refreshing dip, a leisurely swim, or simply lounging by the shore, letting the rhythmic sound of the waves lull you into vacation mode. For the more adventurous types, there are likely water sports available, though specifics aren't mentioned. We can imagine options like paddleboarding, kayaking, or even jet skiing for those seeking an adrenaline rush. And let's not forget the potential for snorkeling or diving. With waters this clear, you'd be missing out if you didn't take a peek at the underwater world. When it comes to activities and entertainment, Princess Andriana doesn't disappoint. The resort boasts a state-of-the-art spa facility that's practically begging you to indulge in some serious pampering. Picture yourself unwinding with a soothing massage, the skilled hands of a therapist working out all those knots and tension you've been carrying around. Follow that up with a session in the sauna or steam room, and you'll feel like a new person. While the specific treatments aren't listed, we can imagine a range of options from traditional massages to more exotic therapies. Maybe a Greek olive oil massage or a wine-inspired facial? Hey, when in Rhodes, right? For those who like to stay active even on vacation, there's a fitness center available. While we don't have the exact details on equipment or class schedules, it's safe to assume you'll find everything you need to keep up with your workout routine. Maybe they even offer beachfront yoga classes or aqua aerobics in one of the pools. The possibilities are endless. During the day, the resort comes alive with various activities to keep guests entertained. Think poolside games, dance lessons, cooking demonstrations, the kind of fun, lighthearted activities that make you embrace your inner child. And when the sun goes down, the entertainment kicks up a notch. Nightly shows add a splash of excitement to your evenings, though fair warning, some guests have mentioned that things can get a bit noisy during peak seasons. So if you're a light sleeper, you might want to request a room away from the main entertainment areas. Or, just join in the fun. For families traveling with kids, Princess Andriana has got you covered. While specific details about kids' clubs are scarce, the resort's family-friendly focus suggests there are plenty of activities to keep the little ones entertained. We can imagine supervised games, arts and crafts sessions, and maybe even some Greek-themed activities to immerse the kids in the local culture. The family rooms with their security gates show that the resort has put thought into making stays comfortable and safe for guests with children. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.